Today, I'll take you on a culinary journey to Papua, Indonesia, a region known not only for its breathtaking landscapes but also for its rich culinary heritage. I will explore two iconic dishes and one drink that truly represent Papuan culture and tradition. To cooking the papeda is simple but requires careful attention. First, sago flour is mixed with cold water to form a paste. Then, hot water is gradually added while stirring continuously until the mixture thickens and turns translucent. And the final result is a jelly-like consistency that can be scooped and twirled using a pair of chopsticks or a fork. Okay, I have papeda. Papeda is traditional Papua dish made from sagu, starch extracted from the palm sagu tree, known as Papuan porridge. It is beloved for its unique, sticky, and chewy texture. Ikan kuah kuning. This dish showcases the abundant fresh fish available in Papua's waters, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. The dish starts with fresh fish such as mackerel, snapper, or tuna, which is cleaned and seasoned with salt and lime juice. Next, I have ikan kuah kuning or a yellow fish soup. It is a vibrant and flavored dish that perfectly complements papeda. It is a staple in Papuan cuisines, known for its rich, tangy taste and aromatic spices. The yellow broth is made by sautéing a blend of traditional spices and then including turmeric, which give the dish its bright yellow color, and ginger, garlic, shallots, and chili. Okay, last I have es kelapa muda asam manis. It's also from Papua. It is iconic drink from Papua, but it is not that famous like papeda and ikan kuah kuning. So, es kelapa muda asam manis is made using fresh young coconut water, coconut flies, and a blend of ingredients to create the perfect balance of sweet and tangy. And lime juice is added to the coconut water for a hint of acidity. So savory is from the lime, of course. And while palm sugar or honey provides a natural sweetness, and for an extra touch, you can add a slice of fresh fruit like pineapple, mango, or any other fruit. Sorry, and along with crushed ice for refreshing chill. But I have only the coconut in here. These dishes are deeply rooted in the local way of life, offering a blend of simplicity and then authenticity. Let's dive in and discover what makes this food so special and why they're a must try for tourists visiting Papua. Let's eat! Okay, first I wanna eat papeda. I wanna try the papeda with no ikan kuah kuning first. Wow, the texture so sticky and then so elastic. Mm, it's actually a plain taste and soft and then which might feel strange but becomes enjoyable as you eat. Traditionally, papeda is not eaten alone. It is typically paired with savory side dishes such as ikan kuah kuning. Okay, I wanna mix this and I wanna add ikan kuah kuning into the papeda. Wow, it looks good already. Okay, First, without a fish, just with a broth, I wanna what the taste it. Okay. Mmm. Mm. Mm. Ikan kuah kuning, especially the broth, is make papedas perfect because it has a taste, and the papeda is plain, so it's perfect. Mm. Okay, now I wanna try with the fish. I wanna cut a piece of some part of the fish. Be careful with the bone, guys, when you eat the fish. Okay. This is so stretchy, right? Okay. But it's actually good. Okay. As you can see, this is the papeda with the fish inside. Okay. Let's try. Mmm. 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 It's actually good because once again the fish has a taste and the papaya is plain, so it mix perfect together. These dishes are deeply rooted in the local way of life, offering a blend of simplicity and then authenticity. Let's dive in and discover what makes this food so special and why they're a must try for tourists visiting Papua. Let's eat! Okay guys, some information I give it to you is papeda is commonly served during lunch or dinner and is often a centerpiece at family meals or community gatherings. In some areas, it is also served during traditional ceremonies and celebrations. Symbolizing togetherness and cultural pride is also important. Oh yeah, visitors or tourists can find this, or you can find papeda in traditional market or restaurant or local food market across Papua. But if you are not in Papua, don't worry, you can also find this in a restaurant near to you in your region. Like um, I know one restaurant named restaurant Yogua in Gambir in center Jakarta. There is papeda, and then also there is ikan kuah kuning in Yogua restaurant. Okay, and this ikan kuah kuning, if I eat this alone, is also good yet tasty. It is a vibrant and flavorful dish that perfectly combines. Okay, I wanna taste the coconut. I wanna eat the coconut. Mm. 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 Because the water is savory and the coconut is also savory from the lime juice that I mentioned before. But it's actually good. Mm. Mm. It's actually good. Mm. Ah, so refreshing. Mm. This drink is not only delicious but also hydrating and with nutrients. The young coconut water and the soft coconut meat are naturally sweet, while lime gives it tangy kick, and palm sugar or honey makes it even sweeter. And the crushed ice keeps it cold and refreshing. And yeah, tourists or you can find es kelapa muda asam manis at local street vendors, traditional food markets, or beachside stalls, and it is a must try for anyone visiting Papua, offering a taste of the island's natural bounty in every sip. Mm, it's very yet good. Mm, it's good. I ate papeda with ikan kuah kuning and then with es kelapa muda asam manis is perfect combo ever because it's savory and then it's yummy and then it's plain, so it's mixed together and mixed perfectly. Okay, I wanna finish eating this. So, that is Papua's culinary treasures. There are papeda, ikan kuah kuning, and then es kelapa muda asam manis. It's over a unique and delicious experience for food lovers. Each dish showcases the creativity and traditions of Papua cuisines. From the sticky texture of papeda to the bold flavors of ikan kuah kuning and the sweetest comfort from es kelapa muda asam manis, be sure to try these iconic desserts when you visiting Papua to truly savor the cultures and flavors of this remarkable region. Okay, papeda has a very plain taste, which makes it perfect to eat with strong and flavorful dishes. Ikan kuah kuning is full of delicious flavors. The soup is sour and fresh from the lime juice, with warm and spicy flavors of from turmeric, ginger, and chili. And then also es kelapa muda asam manis is a cool and refreshing drink with a mix of sweet and sour flavors. And of course, the young coconut water and soft coconut meat are naturally sweet, while lime can give it a tangy kick, and it's savory. Thank you for joining me on this video through the delicious flavors of Papua. If you ever visit Papua, make sure to try these iconic dishes that I've eaten. And they are more than just food. They are a celebration of the region's rich heritage and local ingredients. Exploring local cuisines is one of the best way to connect with a place and its people, and Papua's culinary delights are no exception. Thank you, and I hope this inspires you to discover and enjoy the amazing foods of Papua. Until next time, happy exploring. Bye bye.